became known the characteristics of the smartphone Honor 9X Pro. Smartphone Honor 9X is a modernized version of the Honor 8X, which enjoyed considerable popularity among customers in different countries. The developers plan to release not only the standard version of the device but also more productive gadget Honor 9X Pro. Welcome to Science and Knowledge, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for our future videos. Earlier, it was reported that the device was certified by EEC, codenamed HLK-L41. However, the published data on the EEC website did not disclose any characteristics of the device. Now, an employee of Huawei under the name of iChangeZone published a message on the Weibo network in which he reveals some parameters of the future smartphone. According to published data, the device will receive 4000 mAh battery with support of ultra-fast 20-watt charging. In addition, the Honor 9X Pro will be equipped with the main camera made of 4 modules with a resolution of 48MP, 8MP, 2MP and 2MP. The report says that the main sensor will be a Sony IMX582 sensor. The base for the front camera is a 25 megapixel sensor. The source said that the Huawei 9X Pro will receive a new chipset, Kirin 810. Operating at 2.4 GHz. According to some reports, Huawei will release several modifications of the device. Honor 9X version with the 6GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM will cost about $275. An option with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM is estimated at $315, while the top configuration with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of ROM will cost $360. The exact date of the official announcement of the Honor 9X and Honor 9X Pro smartphones is still unknown. Presumably, new devices may appear at the end of this month. That's it for now. For more updates and news, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care. Bye bye.